Satish here from Dallas, Texas, and this is QA with Satish Gaire. So if you have any question on business, email marketing, copywriting, podcasting, startups, VC, ask me a question below on the YouTube and I will create a video for you if it's that important. So today's question comes from Jake C from Delaware. He says, "Hey Satish, how do you sell to a person who does not want to buy?" So that's his question. He wants to know how to sell to somebody who has no interest in buying. So let's start with this. So I think Jake, you, me, everybody has faced this situation one time or another, okay? So we have a product, we have a service that we want to sell, right? And then we reach out to people and then we say, "Hey, buy this product." And they say, "No, I don't need it." They say, "I don't want it," okay? And then we try to lure them into like a demo call or like we try to lure them into like something, okay? In order to shove it down their throat, okay? Now, let me tell you something, okay? So yes, can I shove something down people's throat and make them buy it? Yes, I can, okay? If you're a good salesman, you can. But here's the issue, okay? Whenever you do that, it's not gonna end well. What do I mean by that? Okay, so let's say, you found somebody and they're like, "Oh, I don't want it, I don't need it," okay? And you're like, "Oh, let's get on a demo call," and you are a master manipulator, okay? And you can sell people, I'm telling you can, and I can too. And then you sell it to somebody and then they buy it, right? And next morning, they regret it because that persuasion does not last forever. That's the one, okay? Number two is they did not have a problem, okay? Even if they did have a problem, they didn't know it existed. So there's no point because those people are gonna be your worst customers. They're gonna be a hassle to take care of. They'll email you like every day. They'll text you like left and right, okay? So don't even bother with them. Now, here's what I suggest to you, Jake. So what I want you to do is instead of, trying to sell people who don't want to buy, how about you do this, okay? Jake here says he has a freelancing business in copywriting. Amazing. So he's a copywriter. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to find people who know what copywriting is, and I want you to find people who know the problem that they're facing, okay? And present them with the solution. So how do you do that? So what I want you to do is on Twitter and Facebook group, there's a bunch of these spaces or groups, right, that you can join where people are talking about their products and things like that, okay? Why don't you get on there? They're gonna have questions, right? See if you can help them out. See if you can lure them into just a tip or two, okay? And then whenever you help somebody out like with a comment or things like that, guess what, okay? They're like, "Oh, who's this person? Let me check it out." So on your profile, you should tell people that you're a copywriter, okay? And then put away how they can contact you. So I did this on Reddit. So on Reddit, okay, there's these groups for copywriting or freelancing and startup and VC stuff. So what I did was instead of going out, I did something called pull method. So what I do is this. So I pretty much go ahead and help people out on Quora, Reddit, okay, on Twitter and Facebook, okay. I spend less than 30 minutes each day in the morning while I'm sipping my coffee. Now, I answer people's question, right? And they get an answer. Now, those people, they might reach out to me maybe or maybe not. But guess what, okay? If somebody's asking a specific question, and that means that other people are having that same problem as well. So when people search on Google trying to find a solution, guess what happens, okay? They land on that same question on Quora and they land on the same answer that I provided that's ranking on Quora, Reddit, or Facebook, or Twitter. Guess what? They come to me because I've shown them, hey, here's a solution, okay? And those other people will come to you. I want you to try using the pull method so that way, see, here's the thing, okay? Don't try to convert non-prospects into prospects, okay? The prospects, they know what they need, okay? They already know that they have a problem. You don't need to explain to them that, hey, here's what copywriting is, blah, 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 okay? You don't need to do that, okay? There's enough people out there who have problems that you got solutions for. So do that instead of trying to sell to people that don't want to buy. I hope this helps you, Jake. So guys, if you enjoyed this, make sure to ask me a question on the comments below, and maybe if it's good enough, if I get upvotes on that question, maybe I will answer that question with a video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my channel because I create videos like this every single day, and I think you'll love it. In sales, business, making money, copywriting, you got it. Thank you for watching again.